Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be cooking Afang soup, OKAZI soup, and I'll be showing you guys how to cook it, how to cook your OKAZI soup. You can see makeup on my face. She'll just be like, ah, she's in the kitchen and she's wearing makeup. Guy, today was really, and we just came back in and I need to just hurry up since my baby is sleeping, my husband is sleeping. I need to just quickly arrange the food this night. I'm not even feeling like sleeping because it's new year. Just stay from 2018 stroke 2019, you know, I have to stay awake. Like, I want to see how the day is going to break. That's why I'm cooking my food this time. So stay tuned. Let me not bore you guys with my talk. Stay tuned and enjoy the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Please, that's red subscribe button, please press it. It's free. They don't pay for it. You just bam, and that's all. You don't pay, they don't ask you to pay for it, and it's free, just free. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also comment, like, so that I'll know that you guys really like what I'm doing. At least to know that okay, these are the things that I'm doing and they like it, and I'll be, you know, ginger to do more. But when you guys are not commenting, no likes and no subscriptions, I'll just feel like okay, maybe I'm not doing the right thing and there's no encouragement for me to do more. And please don't look at the makeup. Like I said before, I just came back from New Year watch night and I decided to just enter the kitchen and cook something for my New Year food. I'm tired of eating rice. I've been eating rice, and my husband just said, ah, babe, I don't want to eat rice, so I want to eat pando yam and OKAZI soup. And so I just decided to just hurry up and cook it. Not with watch, I would have told you guys what the time is. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Love you guys, and please don't forget to subscribe. wait to enjoy this food. As in, I don't know. I don't eat in the morning, but with this one, I think I'm just going to wake up like around 7. That is if I didn't stay till 7 o'clock. I'm just going to stay awake and wait for this food. And as soon as 7 o'clock, boy, I'm eating pounded yam and this soup, OKAZI soup. Can't wait to finish cooking it. So I think my camera is far and you guys can't really view the food. So the pot was full just now. That's because my meat hasn't boiled well. And it's reducing bit by bit. And I'll be going for the I'm not using. You don't have water. Soup needs a lot of. Is campfire. The way I do it.
Zeige dich, damit ich dich zur Vernunft